Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of the simple present tense, a fundamental building block of English grammar. The simple present might sound basic, but it's incredibly versatile and used in countless situations. So, whether you're a beginner or looking to brush up on your skills, buckle up, and get ready to master the simple present. Forming the simple present. First things first, how do we form the simple present? Well, it depends on the verb you're using. Regular verbs. For most verbs, we simply add an s to the end for the third person singular he, she, it. For example, I walk, she walks. Verbs ending in o, these verbs usually get es added to the end in the third person singular. For example, I go, she goes. Verbs ending in s, shish, ch, x, these verbs get es added to the end in the third person singular. For example, I watch, he watches, I wish, she wishes, I relax, he relaxes. Irregular verbs. Some verbs, like be, have, and do, have irregular forms in the simple present. You'll need to memorize these. Meanings and uses of the simple present. Now, let's explore what the simple present means and how we use it. Habitual actions. We use the simple present to talk about things we do regularly. For example, I eat breakfast every morning. General facts. We use it to state general truths and facts. For example, the earth revolves around the sun. Timetables and schedules. We use it to talk about fixed events in the future. For example, the train leaves at 5 p.m. Describing states. We use it to describe states that are always true or true now. For example, she loves to read. Giving instructions. We use it to give clear and direct instructions. For example, you turn left at the next corner. Practice makes perfect. Now that you understand the basics, let's put it into practice. There are many resources available online and in textbooks to help you practice using the simple present tense. Remember, the more you practice, the more comfortable you'll become with this essential tense. So don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how we learn. Thanks for joining me today. I hope this video helped you master the simple present. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and I'll be happy to answer them. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more English learning content.